today we're going to be demonstrating how you time a Magneto while installing it to the engine, and we're going to time it to make sure it's firing in the right order. First, we need to find out it's the proper sparking of the Magneto to the engine. This engine is timed at 25 degrees to be spark. So we have a Magneto right here, and we have a pin that help us locate when spark is happening. This one in particular has a left rotation, a letter L. For left, and you place the pin in the orifice for the letter L. And that's how you find if the pin is in the right place. So as you can see over here, the point is marked for the 25 degrees after before top dead center, which is the time in which the spark occurs inside the cylinder. And this is marked for the first cylinder, which is the first cylinder to start the sequence for ignition. Which now what we're going to do is install the Magneto to the engine, to the crankcase, so they're going to be in the same, this number one cylinder is going to be sparking at the same time for the Magneto. One thing that is critical about this installation is that you do not want to lose, for any reason, the location of the spark within the Magneto to the number one cylinder, in this case to 25 degrees. Because if you move the degrees of rotation, the Magneto is going to be out of time to the timing of the engine, the rotation of the crank of the engine. So we got to be really careful, making sure you don't lose your pin, making sure that everything is okay while installing the Magneto. So you can see the Magneto is now in place, and we don't want to rotate the Magneto because we have the pin inside here. So this is not going to let us rotate, and then we're going to install the nuts as this Magneto is already installed, and this is how the Magneto is going to look while it's already installed. The next step that we're going to do in our process of timing our Magneto to the engine is essentially we're going to use a Magneto synchronizer, which what it does is let us know by turning a light that the Magneto is in the right degree for the spark to happen. For this to happen, the propeller is right now 25 degrees before top dead center, which is the time in which the spark is going to happen. So Ying is going to move, you see the little mark right here, but Ying is going to move the propeller for him to show when the light happens. Right now, the Magneto synchronizer shows left, ground, and right mag. The right mag is grounded because we're not using the right mag. We're going to ground this one to the engine structure, and we're going to put this one in the P lead. So first we're going to put, it's going to be on. Oh, you can see the light coming on for both of the Magnetos, but in this case only we worry about the left light. So we got 25 degrees and 25 degrees in there. So as you can see, the left Magneto is in the P lead, and the right Magneto is also in the P lead, and the other one is grounded. So at this moment, the propeller is at 25 degrees before top dead center. So if I turn the lights, both of the lights are on.
Thank you.
Essentially, it should be ready to go and ready to start.
Thank you.
Now remember the oil pressure.
Clear. Clear.